How to play Block Blast on Quizlet. I'm going to tell you how to play Block Blast on Quizlet. First, go to Quizlet and open a study set that has at least a few terms. Click on the Block Blast game option. It's usually found under the study modes if it's available for that set. If you don't see it, make sure you're logged in and using a supported browser, because some features like this are still being rolled out. Once you start the game, blocks will fall from the top of the screen, each showing a term, and at the bottom are matching definitions. Your goal is to match them fast before the screen fills up. Use your mouse or finger to drag the blocks to the correct answer. Every correct match clears the block, every mistake stacks it higher. The game ends when blocks pile too high, so accuracy and speed both matter. It's a fun way to study, especially if you like pressure and quick thinking, and that's how you play Block Blast on Quizlet.